look is sort of created when you're in the depths of winter and it's really gray and you just want a pop of color on the face to cheer you up. So instead of doing a lip this season, we did kind of a brighter eye and curled lashes and just really clean.
If you were going to do this bold color on the eye, maybe it's more about just doing a very simple, like thin wing. So I think it's just about making the liner smaller, maybe toning down so it's not so bright, but still bright enough that you get that like wow factor.
The girls have that little nod to the 60s top and bottom lashes and, playing with, everything. Shimmer, highlighting.